next question is, what are the main drivers? For example, the level of the amounts of investments in Ukrainian bonds is already quite high. So what are the main drivers that can increase the investments of foreign investor in Ukrainian treasury bills, and how much money they can pull in additionally to these levels? Your assessment.
In terms of the main drivers, obviously fundamentals are key, but as we've seen this year, what has been equally or more important is the ease of access to the markets. And in that respect, you don't have to be a high-level econometrician to see that the Clearstream entry date was in itself the single most important event for Ukrainian bond markets this year. Looking forwards, I think you can evaluate non-resident participation and the change in that along a number of phases. So we've had phase one prior to Clearstream, where most non-residents gained access through derivative products such as CLN. Phase two, which we've seen in the last 3 or 4 months, where non-residents who would previously have liked to hold Ukrainian debt but couldn't bought it via a Clearstream settlement. And in terms of phase three, that's going to be, I think, a little bit less hectic, smoother, more gradual inflows, as we've already seen those investors who were desperate to get their hands on Ukrainian debt already hold a portion of that now. And now we're getting to the phase where fewer investors are coming on board in terms of entering the market, because those who wanted to are already there. What it means in terms of the next phase is that index inclusion obviously becomes increasingly relevant, because then you're moving beyond the discretionary active investors more to those benchmark investors and more passive investors, where the physical presence in a benchmark is important.